This is a video lesson on Birds Flew Over the Spire by Gary Ryan. Let's have a look at the key signature to start with. We're in the key of E, which means we have F sharps, C sharps, G sharps, and D sharps. So, it starts off with a low E, and we're in 6th position that you might not be as familiar with, as say 3rd or 2nd. So we start off with that first finger on a G sharp. That's 6th fret on your D string. Open B, open E, a D sharp now, 8th fret on your G string, and open B, and then an A. 7th fret on your D string. And it sounds like this. And to finish off, that was a C sharp, which was your 6th fret on your G string. Moving on to the 3rd bar, we have almost the same thing. Low E, G sharp, B, E, D sharp, open B, A, 7th fret on your G string, high E, pardon me, and that's C sharp again, 6th fret on your G string. So your intro section sounds like this. Okay, moving on to past this little repeat, we're in 2nd position now, and our pinky is on a G sharp, and just as I did there, it's played with your low E. So these two together. I'm using my A finger to pluck that. First finger goes into A, B, E. Now we're jumping back up here to 7th position and playing D sharp, that's your 8th fret on your G string, F sharp, 7th fret on your B string, and an open E. And then we're going back to a D sharp on the 2nd string, that's at your 4th fret. So that whole bar will sound like this. Carrying on, we're still in that 4th position, and a 3rd finger is going to play a C sharp with an A, and then we have an open E, open B, back into the lovely safe 1st position, A, G sharp, low E, and then B and E, high E, together. So that first bar of the 2nd line sounds like this. I'm going to play that with the last bar of the 1st line. So we have two of what I think are some of the trickiest bars in this piece. Moving on, we are in 2nd position, so we have a C sharp, played with your 3rd finger, 1st finger plays an A, and then a B, E. It's hard to see where my fingers are there. And then we're into 4th position, pinky plays an F sharp, 7th fret on your B string, third finger plays D sharp, 6th fret on your 5th string. First finger plays that B, 4th fret on your G string, and then you have an A to finish off. That whole bar. And finally, next bar, low E, G sharp, 4th fret on your E string, goes up to B, 7th fret, open E, 4th position, D sharp, and then we have low A and C sharp together. High E, B, A, so that third bar, the second line, sounds like this. Let's carry on. So you'll notice here that there's a little 1 above the next bar, and that tells you that in original, bracketed C is to be played the second time only, but in an examination, you wouldn't play the repeat. So we're going to play the C sharp as if it was the second time through, because we're going to be playing it without the repeat. So for a C sharp and a G sharp together. C sharp's at the 4th fret on your A string, G sharp's 6th fret on your D string. So we have these two together, open B, E, G sharp, play it with your pinky, and then we're going to bar the B and the F sharp. So they're both played with your first finger, pinky plays D sharp, and you've got a choice of playing B as the open string or on the 4th fret of your 3rd string. Moving on, we're back into nice safe first position, and we have a low E, G sharp, and E played with your B, a low or high E, A, and an F sharp. Let's carry on, we'll finish this line. We have a low E, a B, we're in 4th position, 4th fret on your G string, G sharp, 6th fret on your D string, a high E. Still in 4th position now, all on the 4th string, you're going to play A, G sharp, F sharp. That's 7, 6, 4. And then you're going to go up into 6th position and play low E, G sharp, E, 7th fret on your A string with your B, do that G sharp again, this time with your E, and on the 5th string this time, going to play F sharp, E, D sharp, E. That's 9, 7, 6, 7. Notice that that last one's a slur, so we're going to hammer it on. And the last last bar of that third line. We're going into second position, playing the C sharp with our third finger, the A with our first finger, open B, and an E, and finishing with a low A. So that's where we're going to stop with this piece today, and I'll let you hear it. And that's as far as we've done on this lesson.